You have probably seen this kind of videos on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, which are getting millions of views. Every video from the creator gets views in hundreds of thousands or even millions, but it is actually not a human. This is an AI character that you can create too and make money with it. Today we are going to create an AI influencer in the easiest way, then create content with same character, and the best part, it is completely free. Stick with me and watch the full video. This is going to be a quick video, so let's get started without wasting any time. We are following a 3-step process where we will first create the character as per our need. In step 2, we will create prompts and scripts for making AI videos with our character, and then generate video for free in the last step. And we are going to use different AI tools for every step. First of all, we need to create a character to use as the model. For this, we will use Google Nano Banana Pro. I am going to Higgsfield AI. Here we can generate unlimited images with Nano Banana Pro. If Higgsfield doesn't work for you, you can go to Gemini. It gives you free access to Nano Banana as well. Hover over images, and then select Nano Banana Pro from here. It will take you to this page. Now you need to describe the features of the character. I am using this prompt. You can pause and copy it. After adding the prompt, you can also add a reference image for inspiration. Then choose the ratio of the image. As we are generating a portrait of the character, I am selecting 3:4. Then for the resolution, you can select up to 4K. I am selecting 2K. You can create up to 4 images per generation. It will cost 2 tokens per image, and you get free tokens daily. Then hit the generate button. It may take about a couple of minutes. This is the generated result. Try and generate again if you don't like the result. I'm selecting this image for the model after generating a few versions. Now, as we have our model, it is time to move to the next step. We are going to make her move, talk, or do a certain act to make a proper video like real influencers. We can either take a video and swap the face to add our own model in it, or create a video as we want from scratch. Let's create one from scratch. Let's say, for example, we want to make a promotional video ad for this product, where the model talks on camera. So, in step 2 of the process, we will create a script for the video. For this, I am simply using ChatGPT. I have asked ChatGPT to create a script, and it generated scene by scene with voiceovers. Then, I asked it to create prompts to generate all the scenes, and it delivered. Now we are in the last step, which is creating the video with prompts. For this, we are using Google Flow. It actually uses VEO 3.1 model for video generation. It gives free credits daily, so we can generate our video for free. You can also use free VEO 3.1 with student access. There are a lot of video on YouTube regarding this. There is a video on my channel too. Follow any video to avail your free access. On Flow, I am using frame to video. We need the opening frames for the scenes. So, going back to Nano Banana, I created these images based on the script. Now, let's upload the first image on Flow and paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT for the first scene. Then hit generate. The video is ready. Let's check it out.
Tired of dull, tired skin?
Amazing. Like this, we can generate all the other scenes too. You can also create a continuous video on Flow without any cuts or interruptions. After generating all the scenes one by one, we have this final video.
Tired of dull, tired skin?
Meet Lumina Botanicals Radiant Serum, your secret to glowing, hydrated skin. Lightweight, nourishing, and packed with natural ingredients that brighten instantly. Lumina Botanicals Radiant Serum. How? Because your skin deserves to shine.
As I have said, we can also use reference video and swap face to create content for your influencer. For this, you can use Higgsfield AI. On Higgsfield, go to Video and Kling Motion Control. Here you can add a video. You may download it from internet. I am using a sample from the Motion library, for example. Let's use this one. Then we have to add our character here. I am selecting 1080p resolution. Then there are more advanced settings. I am not showing those for now. Now hit the generate button. This is the result.
Get out my milkshake. Boys to the like.
That's how you can create contents for your AI influencer account. Upload these regularly on different social media channels to see a rapid growth. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.